Let's look at Marissa Moss's book titled Amelia Writes Again. Amelia lives the life of a writer. Notice the ways that she uses her notebook. As a sketchbook, a notepad. It's a place to share her thoughts, her feelings, a place to hold important artifacts, to recall her experiences and record her observations. I thought yesterday was bad, but now a horrible, awful thing has happened. Much, much worse than any fight with Leah. There was a big fire at our school last night, and the fire department says it was arson. That means someone set it on purpose. I heard a lot of sirens, but I didn't know it was my school until I got there this morning. The little note says, a piece of charred wood, probably from a desk. And she's taped it in there. That would be that artifact. There was a crowd of reporters and yellow caution tape across one whole wing of the school. That wing was all black and crumbly, like slices of burnt toast with bites taken out. And it smelled smoky, like the time Mom left a pot holder on the stove by mistake. First thing, instead of the Pledge of Allegiance or anything, we were all herded into the cafeteria, and Mrs. Bell, the principal, told us that somebody had set fire to our school. But no one was hurt, and the creep who did it was probably somebody protesting something, but we're not sure what, and we're not to worry. And it will take a long time to rebuild, and portables will be set up next week. Then we went on a tour of the burnt part so we could all see what it looked like. Well, what it looked like was terrible. Burnt books, papers, parts of desks and bulletin boards. The burned part was the first and second grades, not my classroom. I'm really glad about that at least, but I feel kind of bad about feeling glad. Can't help it. I am glad. Is that bad? Notice what Amelia does as a writer. Like most writers, she is reacting to events that move her. I think both of these books have helped us figure out what writers do, plus how and why they keep notebooks. We're going to brainstorm some ideas in our writer's notebooks. What do you think our writer's notebooks will look like on the inside? What kinds of things should we put in our writer's notebooks? Brainstorm a list of things that you would like to share, and you can either upload a picture to the assignment, or you can come to a Zoom meeting today and share the things that you think we should put in our writer's notebooks. Thank you for listening.